Hello, myself Lakshman, and today's Viva topic is Bean Factory and Application Context. And today's date is 3 February 2022. Now let's move on the first part, that is Bean Factory. We know that IOC, that is inversion of control. The inversion of control, it is responsible to handle the object creation in Spring. Now IOC is create an object, and this object is stored into the one container that is, it is called as a Bean Factory. Bean Factory, it is in simple word, Bean Factory is used to hold the object, and it is also used to create an object. And it is basically, Bean Factory is an interface, and it is or it is a container to hold the object which is created by the IOC. And bean means object in a Spring. Now next part, that is application constraint. So basically application constraint is used to search the object in our file or in our project. There are three ways to find the object or to find the file in an Spring or in our Spring project. Number one, class path XML application constraint. It means our file or our object is searched with the help of the class path, and we know that uh, class is with the help of the class we create a one class, and this class is have a one object, and this object is searched with the help of the class path. Then this is called as a class path XML application constraint. XML means it is a simple Java file. Now the second part, that is annotation configuration application constraint. Annotation means at the rate. In Spring, we search the object with the help of the annotation, that is at the rate symbol. With the help we find or we search the object or a class with the help of the annotation, that is it is called, that's why it is called as annotation configuration application constraint. Now there are so many application constraint annotation in Spring, that is at the rate rest controller or at the rate component and so on. And the third one is file system application constraint. Our project is only within a system, then this application is used, because file system means we search or search the object or class with the help of the file system. Then we go through the file system search operation. This is the application constraint. And Bean Factory, there are basically, it is an interface, and IOC is responsible to handle or create object automatically, and this Bean Factory is hold this object. And suppose we I want the one object and object, then IOC is use the one object and used in our Spring project. And DI is basically inject object into the one class into the another class. And Bean Factory is store, or it is basically one container to hold the object of all the classes, and this object is created automatically when the class is loaded into the memory. And application constraint is used to search our object into the project. The application constraint is basically only three parts, but Bean Factory is only one interface, and application constraint are three parts, that is class path, annotation, configuration, and file system. And this is all about the application constraint and Bean Factory in Spring. Thank you.